Hey guys, in the previous video I have shown you guys a trading strategy which has a win ratio of 85%. But today I'm back with another amazing trading strategy which has a win ratio of up to 90%. So let me show you guys that trading strategy. So for this trading strategy we're gonna be using the chart timings of 15 seconds, and the time frame for trading will be 1 minute. So for the indicators we're going to be using two indicators, the Keltner channel and the second will be our fractal. Okay, so let me tell you guys the parameters of the Keltner channel. So for the EMA period we have to switch it to 25, the EDR should be the 17, and the multiplier should be 2. And for the style you can adjust it according to you. I'm making the top the green, the bottom is also the green, the middle one I'm making it white with the 2 pixels, and the background I'm making it black as well with the low opacity. So let's save it. Let me tell you the fractals, and here you have to write 3, and the style will be by default, or you can enter 4 for the period. So now let me tell you the conditions to trade. So whenever the price will be above this gray line and this green fractal appeared, we will sell the trade because price is above, and whenever the price will be below and this red fractal appeared, we will buy the trade. So let's wait for the trade to be happen. So right now price is currently below this gray line on the lower Keltner band. So let's wait for the price, and here you go, you can see a red fractal has appeared, which means our both conditions to buy is now valid. So now let's buy with the $600 from here. So let's wait to see this trade results. Right, trade is moving into our favor, you can see that, and boom, amazing $550 profit on this single trade. So let's wait to take another trade or the opportunity to be formed. Never trade trades without any confirmation, always confirm it. So let's wait. Here you can see the price is currently above the gray line right there. Let's wait for the green fractal, and here it is. The green fractal has appeared. The price is also on the above the gray line, which means both conditions to sell short are valid. I have sell it short with the $600. So let's wait to see this trade results. Alright, the price is currently moving against us. So let's wait to see this result, this trade result. Alright, the price is currently above our entry line. So let's wait to see this trade results. Now it's rejecting from above. Let's see the actual results. There are also 25 seconds currently for the trade results, so anything can be happen. So let's be patient, because patience is the key into the trading world. So let's wait. All right, and here you go, the trade is finally into our favor. Patience always works, and boom, you guys, $552 again. Here's the total sum up of our today's trading, and here's my today's profit withdrawal of $1,104 on this date, and you can see it's completed right here. And here's my today's profit depositing proof. You can see on your screen, here it is, $1,104 on this date and day. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to press the subscribe button, like button, and don't forget to share it.